Hey everyone, I'm Manero here, and in this video I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of May are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated on last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero Challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you don't know what my challenge of the month is, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media using the hashtags Manero Brushes and Manero Challenge, and feel free to include this image in your post. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for May is a place for a gnome. This prompt is inspired by a little gnome statue I recently bought to decorate the entrance in my house. You'll find that the brush for this month is quite special. If you make the size of the brush small, you can draw lines with it, just like with any other regular brush. But if you make the brush big enough, and you just do a little tap in the screen of your tablet, you'll see that this drawing of a little gnome appears. The idea behind this prompt is for you to place the gnome in your illustration and create an environment for him. It could be a forest, it could be the interior of his house, or anything you can come up with. In my case, I'm using the same brush on a layer where I have lowered the opacity quite a bit to make a rough sketch of my environment. I decided to draw the entrance to this gnome's house. He lives inside a tree and he is going to have little lanterns hanging from the branches of the tree. In the background we will also see some other houses on trees, maybe where other gnomes live. Feel free to come up with your own idea for your environment. Don't feel the pressure to do exactly what I'm doing here. One of the most fun things about this challenge for me is to see all the different ideas people come up with, and I always find fascinating how different and awesome the minds of different artists can be. I have to say that this brush actually surprised me. When it came to inking this piece, the gnome shape gave me really bold and crisp lines that made the whole inking process feel very nice. I decided to take my time and be creative and generous when adding details. But I wanted to keep some differentiation in the different planes of the artwork to make sure that it doesn't look flat. To achieve the kind of depth I wanted, I made sure to detail way more the elements that are closer to us and draw the objects that are far away with simpler line work. When it came to color this piece, the first thing I did was to separate the different planes and elements in different layers with a flat color. Then I blocked the alpha in these layers. This will allow me to paint inside those areas without painting outside by mistake. From this moment and moving forward, you'll see that sometimes I'll use the lasso tool to separate smaller portions of those areas, like the door in the tree trunk, the foliage, and so on. With the main elements separated, I could then paint directly with my brush and give life to this illustration using the specific color palette provided with this month's challenge. I'm basically using the same brush to paint the lights and shadows in each of the elements composing this illustration. when giving color to the gnome itself, what I did was to be very careful with where the light is coming from. He's literally holding a lantern next to his body, so all the light bouncing on him should come from the direction of this lantern as the light source. And this is the final result. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page where you will find the challenge of the month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.